In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it. And when the search bar is see-through, let go. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully removed. If you want to, you can also pinch your device's display and click on this X at the top left corner of your search bar. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!